Welcome back, guys, to the Second Stance channel. Today we're going to be installing the LED glow kit. I got 4 LED strips. One already installed because we already tried to do this before and it was cold outside. It is cold this time too, but we already tried it before and the 3M tape didn't stick, so I had to wait. Tried to wait till it got warm, and then I never did it again. So now I'm doing it again. So we about to get this going and we about to install these light strips. Okay, basically I'm gonna show y'all basically what comes in the kit. I don't have the box and stuff anymore what comes, but it comes with zip ties and it comes with instructions, but it's basically self-explanatory, especially if you go to LED Glow on YouTube. But the whole kit is self-explanatory. The difficult part is really just the wiring, but they have the kit with 6, 4. You can make your own kit to see how many, but since I have an Infiniti, I'm only gonna put one below each passenger, each seat in the back, and I'm gonna put it below me. It's gonna be on the back of the seat, and it's gonna be on the front of the seat, where you rest your feet at. So it's gonna be showing out down instead of like showing down, because that's just too much wiring. But basically I got 4 strips, and I got these USB wires that come. You get 4 of them as well, so you can wire them through the car. And then you get a control module as well that I'll show y'all in a few when I install it. I was about to install the control module. Basically, it's just a button. I have a remote too that comes with it. It's optional if you want to get the remote, but I got the remote that came with it too. But basically, these turn it on and off. You can change the colors, not turn the colors. But I'm gonna install mine right here by where my knee is at. I'm gonna install it right there on the side. These you can screw in too, but like I said, I'm not gonna screw mine in yet because I'm still financing my car and I don't really want to screw in anything yet, just in case anything happens, or maybe I could just want to get rid of it, but I'm not gonna get rid of my car. I already know I'm not. And I'm gonna use these 3M tape. The kit comes with 3M tape, but like I said, I already tried to do it, so that tape is not gonna stick anymore. So I got some more. I have to cut it out to fit sometime for the little strips, but it's fine. 3M tape is 3M tape. But I'm just gonna put this on the back. And like I said, since it's winter time, you're gonna have to use the blow dryer to heat this up to make it stick well, because when I did it last time, we did it in the cold and it didn't really stick because the adhesive on it wasn't really working properly, and it has to be in a certain condition to work. So make sure you have a blow dryer if you are doing it in the wintertime. If you wanna and if you're doing it in the summertime, you just want to make sure that it's going to stick, you can do this. But if it's in the summertime, it should be fine. But since it's cold, things don't want to stick when it's cold. So I'm gonna heat this. Okay, it's gonna be a little loud because I gotta use the blow dryer, but it'll be fine. It'll be quick. I'm gonna use it on high heat too, just to make sure, because it's like 50 degrees or something now. Not 50 degrees, below like 30 or something like that. We live in Atlanta. It's not that cold, but it's cold. Only thing I do is just I heat it and I just make sure it's pressed down. And also, you can zoom in, since I'm gonna put it right here, heat this area too, because you need both areas to be warm to stick properly. And then you can just feel it. It don't take warm. Since it's plastic, it's not gonna take warm to warm up. Just make sure you do it enough and just keep it beside it, since it is cold outside. Since you don't want one to cool down or the other. Just waiting for it to heat up a little. I'm gonna do this for a little minute. Okay, we're gonna apply it to the area. I still got the blow dryer just trying to point it in the direction. Gonna try to get it as level as possible. I'm gonna sort of try to put it close to this seam right here. I don't want to be too close to me. Really too close to the seat so the seat can move back and forth. Can I go low? I'm gonna go a little low. I'm gonna stick it right there. I'm gonna press down and I'm gonna heat it up at the same time. With 3M tape, make sure that if you're not sure about the placement, don't place it down, because once it's thick, it's hard to get it back up. That should be good. We got it nice and level. Okay, that should be good. Okay, what we're gonna do now, we're gonna do the hardest part pretty much about all of this is gonna be the wiring. Well, I just try to explain to you how I basically wire mine. How am I gonna wire it? So I have the LED strips on the front of the chair, and then I have them under, like just a little bit under the back of the chair, so it can shine out a little bit. And that's on both of the chairs. And so they're gonna give you 4 wires. So what I did was, it just basically has to complete a circuit. But both sides of the strip has the connectors on it, but it doesn't need to be connected on both sides to work, for it to work, therefore for it to work. But so what I'm gonna do, I have 1 wire going around the middle console that's gonna power the 2 front LED strips, and then I have 1 going to the back that's going to be connected to the front LED strip and powering the back LED strip, and the same thing for the back. And then to secure it so it won't so it won't go all over the place, I'm gonna zip tie them. I'm gonna just put them under the seat and zip tie it to the existing hardware that's down there, the wiring hardware. Don't zip it to like the railing or anything like that, because it can always get snagged, and then it's gonna create a short, and then you're just gonna mess up your LED strips. So that's basically what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get to it and I'm gonna show y'all the end product. Okay. 1, 2, okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, we done installing the lights. Everything is all wired and everything ready to go. But I did not install the back tube because I felt like there was no reason to, because ain't nobody gonna be back there. You're not gonna see the lights, and me and my girlfriend only sit in the front. I have no children, nobody's ever back there, so those lights don't even need to be back there. I might install them down the line, but for right now, I'm not gonna do it. And so I got them, like I said. I put them on the back. I put them on the front of the seats. You can take the camera real quick. But I put them on the front of the seat. You can see that they're red. That you can get multicolor ones, but I didn't get the multicolor ones because I like red. And so you can see that I got those over there too. Man, also with my car, I didn't record this because I had already put these in, but I have all the interior lights are red. I got red interior lights up there, and in the back seat as well. And for the trunk, I have interior lights as well, and they glow up pretty well. I'm probably gonna put I probably will put something in here showing how well it lights up the cabin at night. And I'll be back in a few with the rest. Okay guys, finished with the install. Okay, they show up pretty bright, but on camera it does not even look comparable to what it does right now. So I tried to film a little edit right quick, but wasn't able to get it done because the lens I have on right now, so I gotta go change the lens. And okay guys, done with the install. It turned out fine. I tried to do like a little edit, but it didn't turn out the way I wanted to because of the lens I'm using, because the aperture don't go down that far. So I gotta switch to my 50mm, and then I'll get back to doing the cinematic. But just to clarify everything I got in my car right now as a lighting, I got the LED strips that's at the bottom, and then at the top I have the interior lighting that you should be able to see. And Also in the front, by Diode Dynamics, I have in my headlights red lights as well. They're just not red, they turn other colors too, but I keep them on red mainly, or purple, just cause that's sort of like the style I like mainly. Cause I got plans for this car to be a certain way, but that's coming in the future. I maybe tell you, maybe not, I don't know. So, but for now, I'm gonna get back to that edit. It's gonna come in a minute, so I'll talk to y'all in a few.
I got a story to tell you, I'm back. Bitches be groupie and hang out no rap. Pull up them foreigns, be back of the back. We moving them packs and told them straps. Niggas be trapped, man, they can't even trap. You niggas so whack, yo, put that shit back. All up in demons just while I done snap. Sailing around all of my hills when I rap. Gang, gang. I got that gas in the set. I got that gas in the Louis bag. Vacuum seal by my strap. I feel like Meech in my Thule bag. Smoke that shit right out the pack. 40 cows in my Ruger bag. I got that gas in the set. I got that gas in the set.
One time for the one time, two time for the two. I'm from zone one, they be sensor roll. Ain't no hesitate, they gon' shoot. Cameras all on the roof. DI right outside the booth. Call of Duty, we got troops. Fiends looking for the boot. Drippin' stain on your missing main. Shawty thought she fell in the pool. Fredo Dodo with the trip. Nobody got it on the hip.